Welcome to Bespoke Flooring Solutions, another video how to fit carpet in a room, and this is quick demonstrations how carpet is fitted in one room. In this video we've got a saxony carpet, quite expensive one. It's nice and thick. We're installing the carpet on top of the existing underlay, as the client told us not to change the existing underlay as it was almost brand new. Get your grip rod fitted, make sure there's enough gap for the carpet. The gap between gripper and the skirting depends on the thickness of the carpet. Make sure the pins always faces the skirting. Tools wise, you need a carpet stretcher or knee kicker and a bolster. And we've got many other tools, but here we're just keeping everything nice and simple. So we fitted the under radiator first because it was nice and easy to get this side done. Stretch the carpet, hook on the gripper and tuck it in. And then run your bolts on top of the grip rod, make sure the pins gets hold of the carpet. If the skirting is nice and straight, you can always butt one side, you don't have to cut it. As I've done here along the radiator skirting. As simple as that, you butt one side, you tug it in, and then you move to the other side, you stretch it. So now you go opposite the first skirting that you cut the carpet against and tugged it in. So now you're moving opposite, stretching the carpet, hook it on. So hook it onto the grip rod, make sure it's getting hold of it, and then fold the carpet back. You can cut from the back of the carpet, or you can cut from the side. There are 2-3 ways of cutting carpet. Simply tug it in and job done. That's how you can continue all the way around, and that's nice and solid. When it comes to the corner, fold it in, bring it back, cut a V shape, put it in, hook it on, stretch it. You can cut from the back of the carpet, or you can cut from the side, and then basically fit the carpet all the way around. Right, the room is fitted. Hope this gives you an idea how the carpet is fitted. And that's our tools. We've got many other tools, but keep it simple. You need a carpet stretcher, a bit of spray adhesive, and a carpet bolster if you already have the underlaying gripper fitted. The room looks nice, client is happy, and we are done with this job. Everything is looking nice and neat. As you can see, the carpet is really stretching to the skirting. There's a lot of tension within the carpet. There we go. Thank you very much. Good luck with everything you do. Bye bye.